Here's a strong, engaging, and retention-focused YouTube script in a listicle format for the 2025 Chevrolet Malibu. The 2025 Chevrolet Malibu is back, and this might just be the glow-up we never saw coming. If you thought midsize sedans were on their way out, think again, because Chevy just threw a curveball. And trust me, you're going to want to hear this. Stick around as we break down the top 10 reasons why the 2025 Malibu is turning heads. And by the end, you'll either want one in your driveway, or at least admit that Chevy did something right. Let's go! Gone are the days of the boring Malibu. This one looks sharp, sleek, and ready to compete with luxury sedans. With a reworked front grille, aggressive LED lighting, and a sportier stance, this isn't just a facelift, it's a full-on glow-up. Think of it like your high school classmate who hit the gym, got a new wardrobe, and suddenly became a model overnight. Chevy is stepping up its game with a massive 15-inch touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay, and an intuitive AI-powered assistant. Picture this. You're running late for work, hands full with coffee and your laptop, but just by saying, "Hey Chevy, start my car," the Malibu wakes up and gets the AC blasting. It's like having your own personal valet. Minus the awkward small talk, the new Malibu offers an optional hybrid powertrain that sips gas while still delivering peppy acceleration. Imagine pulling up to a red light next to a guy in a gas-guzzling SUV, and when it turns green, your Malibu quietly but confidently leaves him behind, while getting 45 miles per gallon. That's the kind of smart flex we love. Chevy upgraded the suspension and noise cancellation, making the ride quieter than your friend who swears they'll pay you back but never does. Whether you're on a bumpy city street or cruising the highway, the Malibu makes every trip feel first class. Without the turbulence, the Malibu is packing soft-touch materials, ambient lighting, and ventilated seats that make even long drives feel luxurious. Imagine road tripping to the beach, the seats keeping you cool, and your playlist sounding crystal clear. Suddenly, driving is the vacation with Chevy's Super Cruise hands-free driving and upgraded adaptive cruise control. Road trips just got a whole lot easier. Think about this. You're on a long highway drive, and instead of constantly adjusting your speed, your Malibu does it for you, meaning less stress and more time to enjoy your coffee. Need to pack for a weekend getaway or haul groceries like you're feeding an army? The Malibu's spacious trunk has you covered. Imagine fitting in 2 suitcases, a cooler, and still having room for those, just in case, extra snacks, because we all know snacks are essential. But unlike some sedans creeping into luxury pricing, the Malibu stays affordable without sacrificing features. Picture this. You're at the dealership, expecting to hear an outrageous number, but instead, you find out you can get all this tech and style for way less than a luxury brand. Without compromising, for those who love a little attitude in their ride, the RS trim comes with asterisk blackout accents, sporty wheels, and a more aggressive stance asterisk. Think of it as putting on a tailored leather jacket, effortlessly cool without trying too hard. While the world is obsessed with SUVs, Chevy proves that a well-designed sedan still has a place. It's like that indie band that refuses to go mainstream but still sells out shows. True fans know quality when they see it. So, what do you think? Is the 2025 Chevrolet Malibu the comeback story we didn't see coming? Let me know in the comments. Would you take this over an SUV? And hey, if you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss out on the latest car news. See you in the next one. Drive safe and stay awesome.